Hey everybody, and welcome to our next great episode of Tuesday's Tips and Tricks with WorkPoint 365 Explorer. It's very important that your team is notified when a new document is published and when it's available to them in a company's handbook. But how do you make sure that the necessary people are notified? Are you texting them on Teams or send them an email? For this, WorkPoint Notifications is your number one tool. So let's jump into a demo. Right now, I'm in the business process cast design. I click on Documents and then Working Documents in the left navigation. Now I select the document V7T Controller Securing Lid. I want to publish this document. So I click on Send To in the command bar. A dialog appears and I choose the option Publish Document. My process opens and I can see all the different process steps on the right side. In this process, we will create the published document, publish the document, and notify the responsible person for the process. By clicking on Publish Document, I can lean back and WorkPoint will finish the job for me. As Chris is the responsible person for this business process, he should get a new notification that a document has been published. Now I click on the WorkPoint logo in the top right corner. Here you see our Express panel, and let's click on the small bell. And as you can see, I got the notification that a new document was published. Easy communication and cooperation with all responsible people made easy. With WorkPoint Notifications, you can lean back and enjoy. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.